Hey everybody, welcome back to the Vegas Tips and Tricks for Saturday, January 11th, 2012. And it's going to be a sloppy one today because it's actually Friday night and I'm on vacation. I'm going to Vegas in a couple of days. But did want to get a little bit of a show out for you tonight. It is cold. We are experiencing storms and snow and ice and things like that. So hopefully not too bad because I have a car trip ahead of me tomorrow, which is why I am doing this tonight, so that you may enjoy this program. We're going to try to cut it pretty short tonight, and I think we're going to succeed. Before we get started, as always, it's time for our housekeeping notes. Okay, so the housekeeping notes for the week, I told you we're cheating, is pretty much just all about the fact that I'm going to be in Vegas next week and what to expect. If you're in the Facebook group, I'm going to be kind of on vacation. My crack team of moderators, Andy, Kevin, and Colin, will be keeping an eye on the posts there and hopefully helping you out if nobody else can. I'll be posting from time to time if I have something interesting to share with you, but won't be too active in my role as the founder and administrator of the group. Do want to announce that next week, Monday through Sunday, we're going to have a guest Vegas tipster who's going to be giving you the Vegas tip trick of the week, and that is the one and only Mark Anderson, Pennies for Vegas. So you will not be missing your daily Vegas tip or trick. There will be quite a bit more activity likely on the Twitter and the Instagram, so follow there. And of course, starting Wednesday, this next Wednesday, will be the vlog. That's just some things to expect. Now over 4,300 members in the Facebook group, so thanks for joining us there. I'm hoping we're going to hit 5,000 sometime next week when I'm on vacation. And then we'll have a little celebration of sorts for that. Now, it's time for the Vegas news. I warned you people, the Vegas news of the week is I'm going to be in Vegas. And so I just want to kind of give you a little bit of a preview. I was supposed to be giving you a preview on Wednesday night when we did our live stream, which by the way went really well. Really enjoyed chatting with all the people who showed up, but absolutely no meaningful information was exchanged at all. So just I'll be flying out of Kansas City 7 o'clock on Tuesday night. I'll be arriving in Las Vegas shortly after 8 p.m. local time. Be checking into the California for one night. The next night I'll be moving over to the Apache Hotel at Binion's. Looking forward to checking that place out. There's not a lot of video on those the rooms there. Also, if you're watching this and you're going to be in Vegas next Wednesday night, you can be a part of the first ever Vegas Tips and Tricks Meetup, which will be taking place at the Whiskey Liquor Up Bar at Binion's. I know we have a couple of people at least that are going to be showing up, but if you're just seeing this and you're going to be in town, do feel free to drop by and give me money. I mean, buy me drinks. I mean, hey, just hang out. Would love to meet any viewers who happen to be around. Then of course moving down to the Strip for 3 nights at the Wynn, looking forward to that. Maybe hitting up a show or two due to a tip about Vegas.com prior to Christmas. I actually booked my room at Binion's Apache Hotel through them. And when you spent more than $50, you got a $50 credit to use on their website. So I'm probably going to be using that to see a show, very possibly going to be going to the Atomic Saloon over at Venetian since that's right next door to the Wynn. Maybe something else along the way. Probably won't be quite as much gambling on this trip. I don't know if it's trendy or not, but my bankroll's going to be probably about half to 60% of what it has been in recent trips. So I'm going to be toning down the gambling a little bit. For one thing, the room at Binion's, the room at the Wynn has nothing to do with my level of play. So I will probably play a fair amount at the Boyd Properties downtown. But other than that, we're just going to see what happens. Of course, there'll be room videos from all of these places. There's a possibility I'll try to see if I can upgrade at Wynn, even if it's just over to the Encore Tower, because that would be something different to show you all. And there's still the possibility of a secret room video that could be coming up shortly. So, just some things to watch out for. Might also be doing my Diamond Celebration, my final Diamond Celebration meal when I'm in Las Vegas, but I haven't really nailed any of this down. As you can tell, I do a lot of this stuff on the fly, but either way. So that's the news, I guess you would say. Again, starting Wednesday, you can check out the vlog, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and into the future. So hopefully you will enjoy that. Now, it's time for our Vegas tip of the week. Our Vegas tip this week kind of came about from a number of related tips on the Facebook group, and basically it's a really simple one, and I'm going to take credit for it this time, and that is just make sure you're always signed up and using your Players Club card when you're in the casino, when you're staying at a property. Even if you're not a big gambler, you can almost always present your card when you eat at a restaurant or get drinks at a bar, purchase show tickets, and those can definitely add up and get you some comps, get you some free stuff. And there's been a lot of questions about Players Clubs and kind of some of the details with that. So I want to announce tonight that coming up, it's going to be a few weeks down the line because we have a number of Wednesday videos we're going to be showing you. But this winter into spring, we're going to be doing a weekly show talking about different Players Clubs. So we'll have a show on Caesars Rewards, we'll have a show on M Life, we'll have a show on Be Connected, and there's a number of other Players Clubs in town. I'll be giving you my insights, information that I have on that. We may even have some fun graphics on the screen so you don't have to look at me all the time. But so for those of you who are not sophisticated in your connections to various Vegas Players Clubs, we're going to be reviewing those and talking about those coming up in the near future. So definitely stay tuned for that. We won't do it as part of the weekly video because I think it would just get too long. So that's the logic there. And for those who had some questions about that, thank you for giving me the idea. I know our videos on comps a few months back had a lot of views, got a lot of positive feedback, so we're going to kind of continue to do that. We're going to talk about Players Clubs. We're going to talk about some of the games that you can win free stuff when you go to Vegas, because I think people are interested in that, and it's a great tip. So there you go. That's our tip of the week. And now it's time for our hotel resort of the week. So the first place I'm going to be staying when I go to Las Vegas is the Cal, the California Hotel and Casino downtown. It's not on Fremont Street, it's on Ogden Street, which is just 1 block away. It is the first property owned by Boyd downtown. I mean, they later would acquire the Stardust and the Fremont. They would later build Sam's Town and Main Street Station, or take over Main Street Station. But that was the first Sam Boyd property anywhere, and they've made a lot of improvements in that property over the last few years. The rooms have all been remodeled, the entire casino floor has been remodeled. It, to me, is definitely the nicest Boyd property to stay at downtown, and arguably the nicest Boyd property to stay at anywhere in Las Vegas. I'm fortunate enough to have gotten a room comp there Tuesday, Wednesday, so I really like it there. Like I said, the rooms are not huge, but they're decent size, and they've got all the amenities you need, including the much beloved mini fridge. The one thing you will notice about the Cal, as well as the other Boyd properties downtown, is they tend to attract a lot of visitors from the 50th state. Hawaiians make up a huge portion of the clientele at the Cal, and the restaurant choices and food choices available there definitely reflect that. One of the most popular places to go is the Market Street Cafe overnight they have a special with oxtail soup, and while that's not really a thing for me, it's definitely a thing on the islands. There's places you can go and get, spam and eggs and just a number of treats that are very popular. And the reason for that is that they've had a long-standing relationship, Boyd has, with an airline, and they basically bring people over from Hawaii. They get a great rate, they get some food, they get some free play, so it's a great deal. But you needn't feel out of place there. Everybody at the Cal is very friendly. Like I said, I enjoy the casino. I've had pretty good luck there. They've remodeled the casino bars as well, and they're very nice. It may not be the perfect location, but you are connected to another one of my favorite casinos. So, yeah, definitely one of the handful of favorite casinos. You just walk across the way to Main Street Station. You can check out their brew pub there. You can check out the buffet there. You can enjoy some video poker there. So you're very close there. And if you go head out the front door, you can kind of cross the street and sneak in the back door at Binion's, and you're just a few steps away from Fremont Street. But you're not quite dealing with as much noise at the Cal as you would at a lot of the Fremont Street properties. So it's a good option. It's reasonably priced, and again, as I mentioned last week when I talked about the Orleans, Boyd is very good at comping their low to mid-level players, so definitely worth checking out. So that's our hotel resort of the week, the Cal. I'll be there in just 4 nights, and definitely give you a look around there. So hopefully I'll have some good luck. Anyway, I appreciate you sitting through this abbreviated, highly self-indulgent episode of Vegas Tips and Tricks. It's going to be a fun week, so we're going to be seeing you many times during the week. But until we do, I hope that you have a great and lucky few days. We will see you soon.